morning, guys. We are day 2 and we are headed to Elephants of Pattaya. So, yeah, we don't know if how long. But nasa kotse na. Headed there. So, yun. Anton, say hi.
Hello. Hello.
What's up, guys? We made it. We are here at the elephants. Yes? Wait.
Morning.
Nantok pa.
So, guys, nagbayad na kami. Papasok na rin kami niyan. Naayos lang yung bag ko. Sobrang sikip. Pero, papunta na kami sa elephant. Actually, magsi-CR muna. But, we're going to see stuff. Ano to? Guys, fish. Isda. You know. Guys, big. Big isda. Really big. Naiwan tayo. So, CR muna kami. Tapos, pupunta kami sa elephant. Yan lang. Bibili tayo ng banana for the elephants.
You wanna buy banana for the elephants now? Yeah.
Ano, may nakita kami. Nakita ko lang. Sa tapat ng CR may eagle. Yun yung eagle. Kala niyo totoo, di ba? So, maya-maya, lalakad na rin kami. Mag-CR lang. And then, we go to the elephants. The elephants. So, yes. Now, interview Anton. How are you?
Good.
Are you excited for the elephants?
I always wanted to try this since 2023.
Oh, 1 year, ah. He's been waiting 1 year for elephants. So, ano? How excited are you?
Very excited.
Super?
Yes.
Okay, so we're waiting for Ate Mads. Then we're gonna start walking na. Bye! So, guys, we're walking na and gagawa kami ng arrangement. Oy! Arrangement namin is Arrangement is Ate Mads, si Sir, tsaka si Anton una, the three. Tapos kami ni Janted. And we're walking to the elephants. And we're gonna go to elephants in the water. And we're gonna drop our stuff. I hope I don't drop this camera. So, practice na ako, guys. Yun lang. Smells good somehow. Sobrang bango, di ba, Janted? Yan o.
Nag-group tayo.
Yan o. Zoom in. Yan. And video. Elephant. There's another one here. Diyan ang elephant. So, oh, sinong gusto una?
A few moments later.
Diyan. Ate Mads. This is the elephant. Si Sir at si Ate Mads. Kami palang tatlo. So, they're gonna go na. We're gonna go on that one. Other one. So, ayun. Bye-bye! Dito na kami. Aangkas na ako, guys. So, baka magulo.
More moments later.
Okay, guys, na-figure out na. Babalik lang sila. Pero, nagkakagulo pa rin. But, mapipigure out namin yan no matter what. See you in a while.
Much later.
Nakaangkas na ako. I'll hold. Oh, ang galing mo. Guys, alam, nasa elephant na ako. We're moving. Oh no, oh no. Yun. Hello. We're currently moving. It's a little scary. Bababa tayo?
Oh.
Hala, bababa pala tayo. Guys, I'm just gonna video the way there. We got this.
Gusto feeling.
Dito tayo. Uy! Guys, we're going down. Tama pala, nag-play tayo kanina. You know, hindi ma-video because screen, pero... Uy! He's going down. I'm sure. So, try ko i-video yung pato. Pero, parang mahirap eh. Yan. Yung dalawang loverbirds, oh.
Riding the elephant.
Look at this. It's elephant.
Elephant. Yeah.
This is fake elephant. This is real elephant. We're going down again because we're going down.
Okay.
If you're going to ride an elephant, the scariest part is going down. Excuse me, sir. What's the name of the elephant? No name. Yeah. He has no name. Let's just call him Ellie. Or her.
Nice.
It's really hot. Even though nakakap na kami. If this was the Philippines, feeling ko, I was already talking to the kuya, no? Kanina nga, trinay ko. So, yun. Just gonna go straight for now, so... How is it, Anton?
Good. The only scary part is going down, so yeah.
You. Enchanted.
Same with Anton.
Same with me. Ayun, a butterfly. We seen a butterfly. See them. So,
I thought there's a crow.
ganito muna ako magva-vlog for now. Dahil mainit. Tsaka, diretso lang naman kami, guys. Isipin mo lang diretso. Tsaka may flowers. Oh, para makita nyo. Yun lang ginagawa namin. Flowers. Flowers diretso. So far, the trip is good. And so far, we have gone through one washroom break.
Yeah.
In that open field, there's probably 3 snakes.
Yeah, maybe.
So far, we're just going straight. Ang ganda lang yung road. And it's really hot talaga.
Yeah.
Recommend,
But at least there's a bit of wind.
please bring umbrella, cap, and water.
Yes.
Before you ride the elephant, drink water, bring your umbrella, and wear your cap.
Sinauna siya.
Sinasabi nila na bawal 3 people on one elephant. Bawal 3 people on one elephant. Pero ngayon, pinayagan naman dahil etong tiny boy. Asan na yung tiny boy? Yun o, tiny boy. Tiny lang siya. Kaya, pinayagan naman. Ba't na kami doon? Parang, okay naman. Ba't ako yung walang seatbelt? Oh my God! Ano ba yung kuya? So guys, wala pala kaming seatbelt. Hindi pala binuhol kuya. So ako na lang, hawakan ko na lang. So kakain yung elephant namin soon. Parang
Break the time na naman to.
excited na siya. So parang binibilisan niya na. Nagutom eh. Yeah! Na-zoom in ako sa'yo.
Hello guys.
Yeah.
Review check. It's good but hot. Ano? Review.
It's very hot.
But
Yes.
is it good? Alright.
Yeah. It's very good.
You, sir. Sir John Ted, I'll just say what you said.
It's very hot.
He just said it's very hot. Baka hindi niyo narinig sa mic eh.
Kawawa yung elephant.
Nakakawawag daw yung elephant. Kinakabahan ako.
Back onto normal. Ulit.
Kapag nawala yung grip ko talaga dito sa seatbelt, hulog na ako. Guys, this is my hand right now. As in, sobrang... Kapag binitawan ko talaga, hulog ako. Ate Mads!
Hey!
Huli ka.
Teka.
Ay, di ka pala kita. Okay, balik na tayo. Uy, I'm excited. I see those videos where the elephant's nose go underwater and then they're gonna like spit out a lot of water. I want to see that but I'm gonna get wet. Ito na guys, nasa water na kami. Malapit na. Ay, bumalik. We're barely in the water. Anton, how are you? Good. Put ko. We're in the water, Anton. Diba this is what you wanted? But mabilis lang tayo. Guys, parang kapag tumalon siya, mahuhulog kami. Magsa-swimming na lang kami. Kasama ko. So, parang bawal akong mabasa masyado. So, what happens is... It takes it by the nose. Like this. And then it feeds it to himself. So, his nose is like hands. Here. So the elephant is not too different from humans. So yun lang yung end of the vlog for elephanting because I think we're almost done. So bye.
A few hours later.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. So this afternoon we are in the Sanctuary of Truth. It's in Pattaya. So after namin mag-lunch, we decided to come here. We're just waiting for our tour at 1:40 p.m. So it's currently 1:31. So later on, papakita din namin kung anong pwedeng ipakita sa Sanctuary of Truth. See you later.
See ya. The temple we're going to is not complete yet, so they're completing it.
So in this area, it might be dusty and noisy, but I'm sure it's very rare to see the real process like this. So as you can see right over here, each wooden pieces takes time to finish for about 1 month. It depends on the size and the measure of the wood. Okay, so when after the tour, you can come back here to take more picture and video as much as you want. Most of all, you were allowed to do the carving if you want to try. So don't you worry, this is free, including in your entrance ticket. The
Hello
pieces
guys, so
together.
our tour started already. They say it will be around 45, more or less 45 minutes. So well, we started already. So they're showing us how they do the artwork outside before they install it inside the temple. So
on the other side, everyone, let me show you some example of wood.
Yeah. What's up guys? So,
guys.
nasa labas kami ng temple ngayon.
Yeah, it's so nice. Ang laki.
And the truth is that this is not made with nails.
Yes, as in puro wood on wood lang siya. So,
And
ganda.
glue. And glue.
So this is
Yeah,
not
so there are no nails. Ang ganda naman.
Ito guys ako, nasa loob na kami ng temple. Ayoko masyado maingay. So, nandito na kami. Sobrang ganda. From here, just the entrance is. It's amazing.
The next day.
So, what are we doing? Tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk tayo guys. Tuk-tuk for today's video. First time ever ko sumakay ng tuk-tuk. Si Kuya dati atang karerista.
Good morning. We're in the reclining Buddha. So, kakatapos namin mag-picture-picture kanina. Tapos ngayon, sabi nila, meron ditong mga parang coins. So, palabas may mga pots. Mamaya bibidyohan naman ni Kate. Na every time na maglalagay ka ng money doon sa pots, you make a wish. And then, pag sumakto yung coins mo doon sa dulo, it will come true daw. So, let's see. Gagawa daw nito si Jonathan, tsaka si Cedric. Let's see.
So guys, explanation kung ba't ayaw ko siyang gawin. Kasi, parang yung sa Japan yan, the good fortune and the bad fortune. Paano pag hindi sumakto, i-overthink ko pang di magkakatotoo yung wish ko,
So,
diba?
gadasal na lang kami.
So, pe-pray ko na lang yun. So, tingnan natin sila Janted, guys. Tingnan natin. Tara.
Let's see.
1 cup is 20 baht.
So, what will you do with 1 cup?
You put the coins there
And then,
while making a wish. And then if eksakto, your wish will come true.
lagyan mo to dyan. I will take a video of you while doing it.
Like, maubos lahat.
Yeah, dito ako mag-start from the very beginning. Go, pick your cup.
Get your cup. Okay.
Saka to.
Don't drop it.
Okay, okay. Oh, go there.
Feeling konti to. Para mabili.
Isa lang ha.
Doon, pila kayo sa likod kayo Janted.
Tapos palabas mag-wish kayo.
Hindi. Dapat mag-wish na while going. Ganyan. Oldest to youngest. Hindi. Diretso ka lang. Anton. Yeah. Put it in.
1 coin per pot. Tingnan nyo ah. 1 coin lang per pot.
Yan, Tad, malapit na ba? Malayo pa. Tanong lang. Malayo pa pala. Hindi na.
Hindi rin sakto.
Pero malapit.
Make a wish na tapos drop mo dyan.
Anton. Tingnan natin si Anton. Ay, nasa kanya nga pa pala yung mic.
Hindi, walang sumakto dun sa
Wala.
dalawa si Anton ng ano. Wala din.
Uy, dumadoble. Ba't?
Nasaktoy niya. Magaling ka. Dinadaya mo yung wish mo.
Naduga.
Put everything there. Put everything there. Make a wish. Okay, let's go.
Yo. So guys, as you can see, maiksi na yung buhok namin. See that? Kasi ano na to guys eh. Ano ba tayo umuwi? June 12. Today is, kaninong phone to?
9.
Today is June 25. So, parang 2 weeks. Almost 2 weeks. 3 weeks. Basta, matagal na after ng pag-uwi namin. Ngayon na kami nag-vlog ulit kasi di namin na-close yung vlog. Nung pauwi kami ng Thailand because second to the last day nung gabi, nagsakitan tiyan namin guys. Tatay kami lahat. Parang hindi namin alam kung nasobrahan kami sa food dahil iba yung spices ni Thailand. Or dahil dun sa kinain nating oysters. Kumain kasi kami ng oysters. Baka nasobrahan din kami sa oysters.
Or sa water.
Tas raw. Or sa water. Hindi namin sure eh. So, yun. Kaya di namin na-close yung vlog. Tapos nung nasa airport na kami, dapat i-close namin. Kaso guys, sobrang haba ng pila sa tax refund.
Kaya nga.
So, pagkatas naming mag-tax refund, diretso na kaming plane.
Oy,
Ano na,
dumaan pa kami ng lounge.
Dumaan kami ng lounge.
Kasi
Pero yung lounge namin, just to go to the CR. Kasi nga guys, nagtatay nga kami. Parang, para makapag-CR lang. Tapos diretso na sa plane kasi boarding na agad.
last call.
Yeah. Na last call pa nga kami. So, yun. Overall, okay naman ang aming
Trip.
Thailand experience. The room was nice. Hindi ko na rin ata napakita yung room, guys. Pero, okay yung room namin. May, kami, second floor. Tapos, may sarili kaming butler na hindi rin naman namin nautusan.
Oy, hindi nautusan kayo.
Oh, siya. Siya kasi utos ng utos,
Ano,
guys.
spoon. Can I have spoon?
Tsaka tuwalya nang yan, tuwalya. Ayun. Okay naman. Maganda yung hotel. Okay yung hotel namin. Yun lang. Since, kasi si chairman, pag talaga nag-hotel kami, may dala ng Lysol yan. Before, pagkadating, papaspray ng Lysol yan. So, nung nag-spray, syempre, guys, third world countries tayo. May insects. Pero okay naman, overall, it's a nice hotel. Okay naman service and everything. Tapos, yun, meron kaming na-book na Grab. Van yun no?
Yes, fun.
Tag dito. Sabi niya, kasi papunta kami outlet. So, parang that's, 2 hours. 2 hours from our...
Hindi naman, 1 hour.
One and a half. 1.5 to 2 hours from our hotel. Tapos, nung pagdating namin dun sa outlet, sabi niya, parang thank you kami sa kanya, ganun. Akala namin, alis na siya. Tapos sabi niya, no, I'll wait for you, ganyan. So, nakontrata na namin siya na buong after nung trip na yun. Kasi parang second day yun, no? So, mula second day namin hanggang last day, siya na yung kinokontrata ni Achi na maging driver namin. So, doon lang kami sa kanya sumasaya. Tapos, guys, binigyan namin siya ng stickers. Meron na kaming stickers. Isa kong phone nandun nakadikit. Meron tayo sticker, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung photo nung cute. Dinikit niya pa sa van niya, guys. So, kung makikita niyo sa Thailand, yung sticker na Maarte Campers, yun yung van na ginamit namin. Siya yung driver.
Tapos mabait din yung driver, kaya...
Hindi siya overcharged. Parang pinapackage niya yung yung tour. So, ito yung itsura. Yan.
Kita ba?
Kita nyo ba? Yan. Dinikit niya yung sticker ng Maarte Campers, SC Fried Chicken. Maarte Campers outdoor gears. So guys, speaking of outdoor gears, kung ganap kayong tents, chairs, coolers, nature hike items, store. Meron na kami yan. Message nyo na kami sa page, guys. Bigyan ko kayo discount. Sabihin nyo na pag sinabi nyo napanood nyo kasi sa vlog na sinabi ko, bibigyan ko kayo discount. Bigyan ko kayo discount pag umorder kayo. Sabihin nyo lang, sinabi ko.
May hashtag.
Hindi,
Organic code.
Sabihin nyo, sinabi ko. Sagot ko na yon guys. Sagot ko na yan. Ito na yung totoong sagot ko na yan. Sagot ko yung discount nyo, guys. Bigyan ko kayo ng 5% discount kapag sinabi nyo na napanood nyo kasi sa vlog. Or, ate na nalagay ka dyan. 5% off care of the OG camper. Screenshot nyo yun, tapos send nyo sa page, automatic 5% discount yun, guys. Promise. Tapos, saan pa ba? Ikaw, ano masasabi mo bilang ngayon ka na lang ulit nakasama sa trip?
Masaya guys, ang dami namin nakain. Kaya lang yun nga, nagtae kami. Buti na lang, mga last 2 days ba?
Second, hapon ng second to the, ng
Uy,
second
hindi
to
ako
the,
6 a.m. Nagtatain ako ng 6 a.m. ng
ako,
second to the last day.
bago.
Uy, hindi, 10 a.m.
Mga ganun.
Yeah. So, yung last day namin guys sa hotel lang. Pero okay lang kasi masaya naman. Nag-ayos kami gamit and everything.
Yun lang, guys. So, overall, it was a nice experience naman. Same lang naman yung mga vlog namin, guys. Kahit naman bansa kami pumunta, di ba? Konting trip, tapos afternoon, more shopping.
Shop.
So, yun. Yun lang, guys. See you sa next vlog.
Guys, sa eksena ng buhok namin.
Guys, napasobra yung gupit. Lang, share ko lang napasobra yung paggupit ko, guys. Hindi ko na alam kung matutuwa ba ako pag sisisihan ko yung decision ko. Okay naman kaso. Ay, hindi ko matali. Yun lang, guys. Bye.